Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use phone as Firestick remote. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Fire TV app. Open Firestick settings. Network. Check your network. Your Firestick and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Fire TV app. Choose your Firestick. Enter code. Now you can control your Firestick using your phone. That's it. Now you know how to use phone as Firestick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.